So with 6 weeks to go, probably won't make gym junkies out of you yet. Fair enough. But in the aftermath of the 70.3, when all you want to do is lie on the couch and be left alone, if you've had a previous injury, have it checked. Rehab it thoroughly and get strong. If you actually want to reduce your injury risk for next season and stay on top of these things, get screened and commence some strength training. So here's an example of what I mean. This is an example of what I mean by strength training. Okay? Get some pretty heavy weight and move it. But it's not quite as simple as that. All right? What I don't ever want to hear from athletes is that, hey, I went to your talk and you said go get strong and this happened to me and thanks very much. All right? What you have to understand is, like your bike, like your swim, like your run, self-programming really has no place in it. Okay? And one of the biggest things we see injuries about are people self-programming, and with that, self-programming in the gym. You need someone who understands you and your training schedule, your present injuries and pain, all the old little niggles that have been lying around from when you used to play footy in your teens or netball when you were in school and whatever else. Understands the science of strength training and how to coach those movements. So this doesn't happen. The other thing they got to ask yourself is, well, where does that fit in my training week? So this is an athlete of mine who sent in her training week to me. So on a Monday she'd swim for 60 minutes. She'd have a hard hour time trial followed by a long run on a Tuesday, a longer swim on a Wednesday, a group ride and a track run, and then a swim on a Friday, and then a lot of time on the bike and an open water swim over the weekend. Where do I fit the gym in? All right. Also, where do I fit that in without contributing to my fatigue out there? You probably need some help with that. All right. Someone who understands your sport and the logistics of your training, both within a single cycle and your goals towards what your A and other races might be in that season and beyond. Who can fit it in with your hectic life, acknowledge your old injuries, present injuries, and not do this to you. So my message from this is, if you want to reduce your injury risk, get strong. But I highly, highly advise that you use professional help when you're doing it.